If you're wondering how you can find the recycle bin on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can find this setting. Now if you have deleted a photo or a video and if you want to find the recycle bin to recover it, for that just open the Photos app, then tap on Collections, and over here you will find the option of Utilities. Just tap on it, or you can tap on the drop down arrow and you will open the Utilities section. And over here you will find the recycle bin icon. Just tap on it, then tap on View Album. Now from here just scan your Face ID. And from here you will find the recycle bin or the recently deleted section. And from here you can tap on Select and you can select the photos and videos which you want to recover. Then tap on the three dots over here. If you want to recover the selected photos, just select Recover, or you can select Delete and you will permanently delete all the photos in this section. And the deleted items will remain in this section for 29 days. And once the 29 days is completed, your iPhone will automatically delete all the photos and videos in this section. But if you have deleted a file on your iPhone and if you want to find the recycle bin for the Files app, just go to your home screen and open the Files app on your iPhone. Then go to the Browse section and tap on it one more time. After you enter the Browse section, on this page, you will find the option of Recently Deleted. Just tap on it, and from here you will find any file which you have deleted recently. Now let's delete a file. For example, I will delete this file. Select Delete. Then if we go to Browse, from here just tap on Recently Deleted. As you can see, this is the file which we have deleted. To recover it, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Select. Select the file, and from here you can recover the file or you can delete it permanently. And this is how you can find the recycle bin on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.